Hello and welcome back to the video lectures on inventory models. This is the seventh video on Unit 4. In this video, we continue our discussion on EOQ model with plant shortages. In the previous video, we started with the second EOQ model, that is EOQ model with plant shortages. In the previous video, I introduced this model, and we know that shortage or stockout simply means the company cannot meet the demand because the inventory has completely depleted, and a company should consider allowing shortages only if certain requirements are satisfied. For example, the customers are willing to wait, or the shortage cost is considerably less, or the holding cost is also considerably higher. Let us see how inventory level varies with time. At time t is equal to 0, let this be the inventory level, and this inventory level will gradually deplete with time at a constant demand rate d, and this constant demand rate d is represented by a line of constant slope. In this model, as we allow the shortages to occur, we can take this line on the negative side of the vertical axis, and the length of this line along the vertical axis represents the number of units short. We'll talk about it later. At this point, let's say that the company places an order and Q units arrive. So now this is the inventory level. Again, this inventory level gradually decreases at a constant demand rate D, and we again allow the same amount of shortage to occur. Here again, the company places an order of Q units and receives it immediately, and now this is the inventory level. At this point, again, the inventory level starts dropping by constant demand rate T, and cycle repeats itself. As discussed in the previous model, every vertical line on this graph represents replenishment. So, for example, this is the first cycle of replenishment. This is the second cycle of replenishment, and so on. The distance between vertical lines represents the duration between subsequent replenishments. What we want to understand here is each cycle can be divided into two portions. For this particular model, we see that first cycle can be splitted into two portions. I am representing first portion by the green color and second portion by the purple color. If you observe the green portion, let me highlight this. If you observe the green portion, then you can say that there was inventory for the duration of green portion. Similarly, for the purple portion, there was no inventory. In fact, there was a shortage. So we say that for the green portion of the cycle, holding cost is incurred on the company, while for the purple portion, shortage cost is incurred on the company. For the green portion, there is no shortage cost incurred, while for the purple portion, there is no holding cost incurred. We know that the cycle length is, or the Distance between vertical lines is simply q by d. So this is, if this is 0, then this is q by d. Similarly, that is 2q by d, and so on. If let's say S is the inventory level, just after a batch of Q units is added to inventory, that according to the definition of capital S, this becomes S, and this becomes Q. So this is simply okay. Now we also want to find out the duration of green portion, or the time interval after which the number of units in inventory becomes 0. And if this is S, that means the equation of the line becomes S minus dt, and we know that when we want to find out t when this is 0, and hence t becomes S by d. So that means this point is this point refers to a time S by d. Similarly, this will also be S by d for that particular cycle. So this is how the inventory level varies with the time. And one more thing I would like to mention is that, so if this is Q and this is S, then Q minus S is the number of units short. Number of units short. And P, I have written P but I did not mention it. P represents the shortest cost per unit time. So I hope that this diagram must have given you an insight into how inventory level varies with time. In the next video, I'm going to develop the mathematical model for EOQ model with planned shortages. See you in the next video.